This 2022 Palomino River Ranch 390RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, smoke detector, water heater, LP detector, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, skylight, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino River Ranch 390RL is 13,944 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.